Today we are making jelly. We are making two types. First is orange and blueberries. So let's take the ingredients. We need a bowl. Is what we're going to use a jelly mix. It's Agar strips. It's halal, guys. It's halal. It's halal. It's halal. So Malay people can eat, Muslims can eat also. It's called Agar. Just like this weird thing. And then we need to mix it with water. You need this with permission, okay? Okay. So we mixed it. We have to mix it with hot water. We need to take out the spoon and close it. The orange juice and blueberry. We're making two flavors. Orange and blueberries in the flavor. These are from Happy New Year. Some people gifted to us, right? This is from Happy New Year. I'm so excited. Blueberries. Okay, now we need to make them into juice. I use a small one. Make sure you use a drainer because the seeds will go inside. Eat a blueberry. Okay, now this one is electrical. Okay, I think definitely became juice now. Whoa, it is juice. This is Agar, and then this is blueberry, orange. So we have.
So we're going to put 3 tablespoons of sugar. First spoon, second spoon, third spoon, and last but not least, the fourth spoon.
So we're gonna wait for a while. My mother's sister is putting the Agar. She's filtering the Agar, guys. Okay. Agar. That's what it looks like. Okay. Guys, she's pouring the orange juice inside the Agar, the blueberry. So this is what it looks like. It's cool. Okay, and this is the orange. Right here. That's the blueberry and that's the orange. Now it's down. I'm gonna do my homework, which I have. I have a few pages, so yeah. I'll be right back, guys. I'll come back when the Agar jelly finishes. So yeah.